What is going on, everyone? How is everybody out there doing? I hope everyone is doing and feeling well today. We're gonna have a really productive day, y'all. We're gonna have a good day and we gonna make it count. You already know what it is. It is good vibes only, positive vibrations always. It is your girl Chance All Real, welcoming all my good people back to the channel. So everyone, in today's video, if you did have a chance to read the title, then you know that we are going to be taking a closer look and doing an unboxing for J-Tip's latest collaboration with Saucony with the I love you, but I'm busy. First of all, let me say that that is a super dope name for a sneaker because I love you, but I'm busy. Like, I just feel that one in my soul. I can relate to that one for sure. So we're definitely off to a great start with this sneaker. I've seen a ton of pictures of this shoe online and all of them have been dope. I think the rollout for this sneaker is great as well. So I'm super excited to have my pair now in my possession. My babies did just arrive in the mail and I know these are gonna hit even harder in person. So we're gonna be getting into the sneaker. I'm gonna be sharing my thoughts and opinions with you all with this shoe. But before we do get started with today's video, I'm gonna need everyone watching to go crazy on a like button for your girl. And if you are new here and you are just now stopping by, welcome to the channel. We do reviews on sneakers, we do on feet, we do styling videos, we go to sneaker events, and we're gonna do even more. We're gonna get much more content rolling on this channel. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and go crazy on a like button for your girl, as well as hit that subscribe button, join the family, lock in with your girl, and most importantly, y'all, hit those bell notifications. This way, whenever I do upload a video, YouTube will be sending you the notification through to let you know that your girl did upload some more content. Super important step right there for sure. But before we do get into it, I want to show something to all my good people out there watching, all my fellow sneakerheads. Shout out to today's sponsor of this video, Poizon. Now, if y'all haven't heard of Poizon, let me go ahead and put y'all on. Go ahead and click the first link in my bio. It's gonna take you directly to Poizon's website where you can use their authentication process to get your shoes and even luxury clothing checked for free. Using the free legit check is super simple. All you gotta do is choose the brand that you do want to check. In this case, I will be picking Nike since this is the Nike SB Wizard of Oz dunk. We gotta upload a few pictures, which we're about to do right now. It wasn't lying, that was super fast. Definitely took no longer than 3 minutes, and just like that, y'all, we're verified. Not only can they check for sneakers, but I know y'all like to get fly, they also have a free legit checker that works for your luxury clothing and or your streetwear brands with the support of over 300 brands and 11 categories. Their services do run 24/7, so go ahead and check them out today. First link down in the bio below. But now, let's get back into the video. And yes, everyone, here is my package. Like I said, my babies did make it here safe and sound. I know that these originally had a release date through Savior, and the initial launch for this sneaker was the 28th of March, and the release date, like the worldwide release date for this sneaker through Saucony, was yesterday, April 11th. So yeah, we got us a pair. I hope that everybody that wanted a pair either hit the first time or the second time, or you doubled up and you got them 2 or more times. So congratulations to those that also got a pair of these. I think that this is gonna be a special sneaker for sure, but we're gonna talk about it, y'all. So let's go ahead and take these bad boys out the package and get a better look at the box and the sneaker. Alright, yes, everybody, here is our box, and inside the package is my receipt. Alright, let's sit this down. And yes, everybody, taking a closer look at the box. On the top of the box, we do have J-Tip's And Saucony with that multicolored flower in the corner here. All right, nice, nice. On the bottom of the box, we got I love you, but I'm busy. Dope, dope. Here is a look at the other side of the box. All right, the label does read Grid Jazz 9 and the colorway does read Balloon Blue. Pretty straightforward. This sneaker obviously has more colors, like a lot of neon tone colors on this sneaker. J-Tips does like to go with a more vibrant style sneaker, more colorful, things like that. And on this side of the box, we do have made by J-Tips and Saucony. But yes, so go ahead and open this bad boy up. And on the inside of the box, as you all can see, all right, right there, I love you, but I'm busy. And on this side, let me read this off to you real quick. We might not be in the same city or even the same country, but I see the same sunset and moon lit skies that you see, signed by J-Tips. Dope little note right there. Also included, we do have a J-Tips sticker and some spare laces. All white, clean, spare pair of laces right here. Let me see. Yeah, let's take a look at the sneaker. All right, everyone. I'll go ahead and get started off with my first impressions on these J-Tips. So when I first seen this sneaker, I'm like, yo, these are fire. Definitely knew right then and there that I needed a pair of these for sure. So I'm definitely thankful to now have this pair in my collection and in my possession. Thankful that these bad boys did make it here safe and sound. But yeah, J-Tips, his collaborations be dope. For those who may not know who J-Tips is, he is a rapper based from Bronx, New York, and he's an artist as well, and his collaborations be dope. I remember the J-Tips to-do list, those were fire as well. And for if you like pay attention, like if you kind of just like pay attention to his style, you'll see that he leans more towards the super colorful and like exotic type of shoes. You know what I'm saying? Like his colorways are definitely unique for sure. And I feel like even though sometimes I lean more towards like a simple and straightforward colorway, I can also appreciate those crazy and exotic colorways, like the colorways on SBs, the colorways that Kobe's bring to the table. Bronze, they be having some off the chain, like off the wall colorways, and I can appreciate those as well. Like I feel like it gives you the opportunity to switch it up, pop out, go with something more vibrant. Like with this sneaker, we got more neon based colors. We got hot pink, orange, blue, yellow. You know, those are definitely some vibrant colors for sure. But this shoe is everything that I was hoping for it to be and that I was expecting once I did see the sneaker in hand. So far so good. We are good to go, y'all. But taking a closer look at the sneaker, we do have a mesh upper on the sneaker as far as materials go, as well as leather and suede materials on this sneaker. So we got a few different materials going on with the shoe. All right. We do have Saucony's logo on both the lateral and medial side of the sneaker. We do have a majority hot pink midsole wrapping across the entire portion of the sneaker. And right here, we do have, I want to say silver so bad. I would say gray, but I don't know, it's giving silver. But we do have grid right there, embroidery right here on the back. I'll go ahead and put both shoes together because this is one of the dopest and most prominent details on this sneaker. We do have that I love you but I'm busy embroidery on the back in that red over that hit of yellow. Dope. Taking a look at the Aste portion of the sneaker, we do have all black laces, but as I showed you all, they did throw a pair of white laces in with this sneaker. I couldn't tell you which one I think will go better. I would just have to try them on to see, but I think black does look good with the shoe. Taking a look at the tongue, we do have Savior Sport embroidery on the tongue, as well as the logo right underneath that. That's dope as well. And taking a look at the inside of the sneaker, all right, we do have that made by J-Tips stitched in there. All right, this is the right shoe, and on the right sneaker, we also have that coming soon on our vibrant hot pink insoles right there. All right, dope. This is the right sneaker, and on the left side, we do have several multicolored flowers on the inside of the sneaker. All right, we also have that multicolored flower hanging off of the left shoe as well. So yeah, the details look good, y'all. Let's look at the outsoles. We do have a majority black outsole. Definitely seems like it has some good grip on the bottom as well. Some comfortability on the sneaker. You can definitely tell that these bad boys are comfortable. But yes, everyone, that does complete the design of the sneaker. But yes, everyone, that was a closer look at the J-tips. I love you, but I'm busy. I have no complaints with this sneaker. I think that overall they did a really good job executing the overall details, the little small things they included with the sneaker, and I think the materials are nice on the sneaker as well. I won't necessarily say that this is premium material, but it's definitely good to go, if you know what I mean. And I can't wait to put these bad boys to the pavement because they just look so comfortable, and I just know that they are comfortable. I've seen people saying that these are true to size, but I have not yet had the chance to try these on, so I couldn't give you that answer from my perspective. But yes, overall I would give this sneaker anywhere from like an 8.5 to a 9 out of 10 overall. I love the fact that these are different, you know what I'm saying? Like, I get tired of seeing the same thing over and over again, and these definitely do stand out from the majority of the sneakers out there. Saucony is not my ideal go-to sneaker to wear, but if something is dope, it's dope. We don't believe in hype, we don't follow the hype train, we don't do none of that. If it's dope, it's dope. And these bad boys right here are definitely fire. So congratulations to J-Tips and to everybody involved with this project. A job well done for sure, especially for a price point of $150. These did retail for $150. I personally think that they are worth it. I can't wait, like I said, I can't wait to just put these bad boys to the pavement. And it's one thing to be fly in your sneakers, but it's one thing to be comfortable and stylish in some sneakers. So that is just a plus there for sure. But yes, everyone, I gave you all my thoughts and opinions on this sneaker, but I am curious to know what you all think about this shoe. So go ahead and drop a comment down below in the comment section and let your girl know what you think about these J-tips. Did you pass on them? Did you cop multiple times? Are they just decent to you? You know what I'm saying? Did you pass on them and did you look back and was like, dang, I should have went ahead and bought a pair of them? Whatever you may think or feel, go ahead and let your girl know, and I will be sure to get back to you in the comment section below. But yes, everyone, I'm definitely not here to take up too much more of your time. I hope that you all did get some more insight about this sneaker. Definitely dope for sure. I'm thankful, like I said, I'm excited and I'm thankful to not have a pair of these in the collection. But yes, everyone, I definitely have plenty more heat for the feet coming your way and soon, so definitely be on the lookout for your girl. I hope that you all do have a wonderful rest of your day. Like I said in the beginning of the video, make it count, y'all. But yes, y'all will be seeing from me soon, so definitely be sure to be on the lookout for your girl and make sure those bell notifications are on go. But yes, everyone, y'all make sure y'all have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see y'all next time. It is your girl Chance Out Real, and we out.